Ramon Magsaysay served as President of the Philippines from 1953 to 1957. He was known as the champion of the masses for promoting honesty in government, helping farmers through land reform, defeating the Hukbala Rebellion, and improving rural areas with roads, school, and irrigation projects. Carlos P. Garcia, 1957-1961, was known for his Filipino First policy, which prioritized Filipino businesses over foreign interests. He also promoted economic independence, honesty in government, and cultural pride and continued programs that supported national development and self-reliance. Diosdado Macapagal, 1961-1965, was known as the poor boy from Lubiao. His major accomplishments include the land reform to help farmers own the land detailed changing Independence Day to June 12 to honor Philippine freedom and promoting economic growth and anti-corruption measures in government. Ferdinand Marcos Sr., 1965-1986, built many infrastructure projects such as roads, bridges, hospitals, and schools. He also improved agriculture and tourism, promoted cultural development, and launched programs for energy and industrial growth. However, his rule later became known for martial law and human rights issues. Corazon Aquino, 1986-1992, the first female president of the Philippines. He is known for restoring democracy after the Marcos dictatorship. She created a new constitution in 1987, promoted freedom of speech and human rights, and worked to rebuild the economy and strengthen democratic institutions. Fidel V. Ramos, 1992-1998, was known for bridging peace, stability, and economic growth to the Philippines. He promoted the Philippines 2000 program to modernize the country, improve infrastructure and foreign investment, and help achieve peace agreements with rebel groups. Joseph Estrada, 1998-2001, focused on helping the poor and farmers through his era para sa mahirap program. He worked to improve agriculture, housing, and healthcare and continued efforts to promote peace talk with rebel groups and reduce poverty in rural areas. Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, 2001 and 2010, focused on economic growth and stability through her program, Strong Republic. She improved infrastructure, education, and healthcare, created more jobs, and promoted foreign investment. She also strengthened the country information and communication technology, ICT development. Benigno Noynoy Aquino, 2010-2016, was known for his Daang Matuwid Straighten Path program which promoted good governance and anti-corruption. He helped achieve strong economic growth, improve education and healthcare, and pass law that strengthened transparency and social service in the Philippines. Rodrigo Duterte, 2016 and 2022, focused on peace and order, launching a strong anti-drug campaign and improving public safety. He built many infrastructure projects under the Build program, improved pre-college education in state universities, provided free irrigation for farmers, and strengthened healthcare and social service through the Universal Healthcare Law. Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., 2022 President, launched the Build Better More program for infrastructure, started the 4PH housing project, improving the economy through the create more law and promote jobs, agriculture, and energy development. The last but not the least, don't forget to follow, like, and share.